Should I kill him or should I let him live? Attack 45 to the face. Let's see this. What should I do? Let's see what I did. Boom! Right in the head. Tongue out. Yeah. Got a rod through his knee. Not me. I ain't letting that guy live. Yeah, by the way, guys, I'm now live streaming on Twitch. And sometime I'm possibly going to be streaming on YouTube. I even streamed this game here. Look at all the high-tech stuff. It's like Advanced Warfare in here. And that music, though. Is that are those random people? The heck? Where'd they come from? Anyway, see ya!